I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming policy number and the exact insured name. This prevents delays. Once done, verify that your mobile and KYC match Kotak records because they authenticate cancellations. Make sure you know whether you're within the free look period or past it, since refunds differ. Keep bank or UPI details ready for refund processing. Begin the cancellation request now through the Kotak app or customer care. Initiating early avoids missed cutoffs and speeds up the next steps. You should open the Kotak app or portal and select the policy. This is fastest. If digital isn't possible, prepare a signed cancellation letter with policy number, reason, and date. Scan it. Once uploaded or emailed, attach a photo ID and canceled check or bank statement for refund routing. Make sure to request an acknowledgement or reference number. This is your proof. If you call customer care, note agent name and time, then follow up in writing to ensure traceability. You must watch for the acknowledgement and check the timeline quoted, usually 7 to 21 days. This sets expectations. Once processed, confirm the refund amount and get a written confirmation that the policy is terminated so no future premiums post. If the refund or termination doesn't arrive, escalate to Kotak grievance cell and keep records. If still unresolved, file a regulator complaint with IRDA after documenting attempts. Doing so forces a formal review and usually speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.